Welcome to Pocket Woman Lockpicking and Locksport. Today is package day. SE Lock and Key LockForce. Thanks very much, Jason and Kim. This package was posted on the 17th of December 2022. The frogs are falling over in disbelief on how long it has taken to get here. So let's get into it. And they're still losing themselves over it. This is a package that I won by playing one of the games. Well, I won multiple games. I won multiple things on SE Lock and Key. I was on such a winning streak. The rules were instigated. Dana Reed and I were just cleaning up, and so we had to give other people a chance to win. So we stepped aside and we stopped winning, and we have received our packages. Finally. Let's see. Oh, yes. Haha. Straight away I'm going, yes, it's a smart key. Oh, very nice. Ah, yes. Not sure what generation that is. We shall find out. Oh, that's nice. Look at that. Okay, we've got... These are the new LockForce. What do we call them? Memorabilia, mementos, cool things. Oh, look at that. Poker chip. That is so cool. Quite weighty too. And this is the dangly to put on your Christmas tree. But we missed out on Christmas, but this is really cool. Thank you very much for sending those. That is awesome mementos to have. Ah, this is an electrical ace. Oh, very cool. Okay, we've got a little note. Oh, wow. Look at this one. Pop that one there. Christmas greetings. We're now in February. But that's okay. I knew it was coming, so I knew I had Happy Christmas coming. That's very cool. That is just gorgeous. Thank you. Thank you, Jason and Kim. Oh, wow. Okay, let's start with this. Oh, it's an Essa Abloy. Medico with a key. Oh, gnarly. Oh, that is very cool. Thank you very much for that. That is going to be a lot of fun. Progressive pinning, learning that one. Oh, it's an old Corbin with all its bits. Oh, very cool. Look at that. Still smooth as the day it was made. Wow. sent me lots of ones with keys. Thank you very much. Oh, what a lovely little key that is. A slag. I've actually got a slag with a slag. Oh, cool. Look at that. Ha ha. LSDA. Oh, that's the name of the company that you buy all your stuff from. Oh my, look at that key. That's just looking for trouble, really, isn't it? That's another slag. A slag, I think you call them. Oh, look at this old one. It's an Allen. Look at that keyway. That's very nice. Another little electrical. This one isn't an ace. Yes, it is an ace. I can see ace on the front. Wow. These are going to be fun, fun, fun. Aha. This is a post office with its cam. That's great to have a whole one. Thank you very much. And then this is one. A slag. Looks scary. I've not seen one like this before. Look at that actuator on the back. That is just so unusual. I've never seen it before. I wonder what application this is in. Look at that, you can see the little springs in there on the spring cap. So you wouldn't want that cap to come loose. Ba-ting! And then there's this little one. Look at you with all your... Look at that actuator. It's got a plus sign on it. So I wonder what this is. That plus sign means something. So if anyone knows what this one's for, leave it in the comments below. Thanks very much. Oh, very cool. Oh, this is going to be a lot of fun. In previous packages of one, oh, I have had a world of fun with the locks. Picking them, exploring them, comparing them, pulling them apart. They have just been... They are part of my practice pile of locks. And this is going to be an awesome addition to those. Thank you very much, Jason and Kim from SE Lock and Key. Check out LockForce. Lots of fun. It's on a Saturday in America time. You're like Northern Hemisphere time. And it's on a Sunday in the Southern Hemisphere. Early hours of the morning, so if you've got insomnia or you're an early riser, you get to watch it. And otherwise, set your alarm and check it out. You know, it's a lot of fun. Come and join LockForce. Be part of the LockForce fun. Thanks very much, Jason. Thanks very much, Kim. Thanks for watching. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.